Welcome to my project bazaar. Our project title is Secure Data Deduplication with Dynamic Ownership Management in Cloud Storage. In our abstract, we propose a novel server-side deduplication scheme for encrypted data. It allows the cloud server to control the access to the outsourced data even when an ownership change dynamically by exploiting the randomized convergent encryption and secure the ownership group key distributions. This prevents the data leakage not only to revoked user even though they previously owned their data, but also an honest but curious cloud storage server. In addition, the proposed scheme guarantees the data integrity against any tag inconsistency attacks. In our process, we give a high-level security to the files that are all stored in the cloud through the deduplications. For that, we generating the tagging. Tagging means we generating the key for each file containing the contents, and through that we find out in the deduplication process. In our data flow diagram, first of all, the user registered their information into our process, and after the login they go to the group joint, and after that they uploading the files into the cloud. In that cloud we having the cloud service provider. The cloud service provider generating the hash key to verifying and validating the files whether the file is having the duplication or not, and after that validated the user files, and if they no duplications are found, after that we applying the ECC algorithm to encrypting our data, and after that we send to the cloud server. Then after that, if the user requesting the file from the cloud, first the request sent to the cloud server. After that we are authenticating the users whether the user is a valid user or not. Then we applying the ECC algorithm to decrypting the file, and the file is downloaded to the user preferred locations. Here we using the hash key algorithm. For that we using blowfish algorithm to give the hash key generation process. Through that we detecting whether the file is having the duplication or not. These processes are done in the cloud service provider model. Let's start our demo. Our project title is Secure Data Deduplication with Dynamic Ownership Management in Cloud Storage. First click that start. After that we having the main page. In that if you are a new user, go to the register, otherwise go to the login. So for new user, register now. Here first enter the name, surname and the DOB, and choose the country and enter the username and password. Here we validate, the password is valid one, so register here. Click the register button. Okay, now click that registration, enter, click to register yes. After that we are going to log in. Enter the username and password, valid user, go ahead. Now you are going to join the group. So in that if you click, now the request is sent to the group for the processing. After that you get your username and the date of birth, and click the key. Now you are getting the key. Now the key is get by the user. After getting the key, now we are going to run the file upload.java file. Now click that authenticate. Here we are going to enter the key that are generated in the previous frame. Now it validated, and after validation it retrieving your username. Choose the file chooser. We choosing for example a.txt file, and after that we confirm the file. After that we getting the name and the size of the file. Then get the file path, and after that we generating the hash key to validating the deduplication. Now the key is generated and it verifying with the server. The file is already existed, so it indicated the file is already existed. This file is duplicated file. So we going to after that choosing the some other files. Then confirm that file. We getting the name and the size. Now we generating again the hash key. Now it verify no duplication found. Now we get the file and we applying the encryption. Here we using ECC algorithm. Okay, now the file is encrypted, and after that if the user want to request the file to the cloud, the request is sent. After that the user getting the files it in the decrypted format, and click the download button. Hit the source file. For the browse we choosing the desktop. After that click the download. Now the file is successfully downloaded on the path. Okay, now we're going to check whether the file is downloaded in the desktop. Okay, now the file is downloaded in the desktop. Okay, that's all. Thank you.